Greetings. Let's take a quick tour of RefWorks. RefWorks can help you with your citations and your Works Cited or References pages. Before we get started, the most important point that I need to make is that you always need to check your work with a reputable source like the OWL at Purdue website, and you can see that up on your screen, or Diana Hacker's or Writer's reference. RefWorks is a very powerful tool, but you should always consider any citation that you export or create to be a sort of starter citation. There will be errors, so you always need to double check your work. Step number 1 is creating a RefWorks account. I'm on the library homepage, and I'm going to select Databases and Online Resources. Now I can see databases by title. I'm going to go to the letter R because RefWorks starts with R, and select RefWorks from the list. The first thing I need to do is sign up for a new account, so I'll click this link right here and fill in the basic information. If you create your RefWorks account on a campus computer, you will not need a group number. As you can see, it recognizes that I'm a Northern Wyoming Community College student. If you're creating your initial account on your home computer, it may ask you for a group number. That's really easy to get. Just call either the Sheridan or Gillette College Library, and we'll be happy to help you out with that. Let's look at some examples of moving citations from databases into RefWorks. Most databases have an export or import to RefWorks button. You just have to look around for it a little bit. Here's an example from ProQuest. I'm researching organic food, and this particular article looks like it may be helpful for my research. I'm going to click on the title, and after I look through the article and determine that it's going to be helpful for my research, what I would need to do is look for the export button and select RefWorks and continue. When I bring in that first citation, it's going to ask me to log in, so I'm just using the username and password that I set up for RefWorks, selecting login, and you will see an import log, and I want to get this up here so you can see it. What you want to do is select View Last Imported Folder. And there's my citation that I brought in for the article from ProQuest. Here's another example of bringing in a citation. This particular article I found through the EBSCO interface. I'm going to go ahead and select it. And again, remember we said you sometimes have to search around a little bit. Here's your Export to RefWorks button, and I'm going to select Direct Export to RefWorks and hit the Save button. Here's a final example of bringing a citation into RefWorks. This one's from the eBrary database. If you're looking for ebooks, eBrary has just an amazing amount of ebooks. Going to go ahead and select the title, and remember we said sometimes you needed to search around. This particular export button is under Info Tools, and there you'll see it right there, RefWorks. You can also use RefWorks to create citations. For example, let's say I find a website that I want to include in my paper. I can use RefWorks to cite it. You're going to start by selecting the New Reference button. Let me move this up here so you can see it better. And next, select the style of citation, and you'll see a lot of different choices, APA, MLA, lots of choices. And then I need to pick the reference type. I'm going to select Web Page, and then just fill in the information and save. One of the things I like to do is create a new folder for each project that I'm working on. Kind of keeps me more organized. It's pretty simple to do. First, you select the New Folder button. I'm going to type in my title, which is Organic Food, and create. And you can see I have folders over here for different projects with my citations in them. In order to move this reference or the citation into my folder, I'm going to put a check mark right here, go under Organized Folders, and select Organic Food. You will see that that reference has moved into my folder. The final step is to create your References or Works Cited page. First thing I'm going to do is select the folder that contains the citations for my paper, and I'm going to go through here and select the ones I want to include in my Works Cited page. I'm going to go ahead and pick all 4 of these, and then I can either select the Create Bibliography button down there or the one right up here. So you can see it came from the Organic Food folder, and also I have 4 citations selected. Select your style, and then go ahead and hit the Create Bibliography button. Once in a while you do need to unblock your pop-ups to make that work. Finally, there's another way to access your Works Cited page. There will be a green box, and you can go ahead and click right here. I did try the email option, and it works great. So you can have your Works Cited page emailed to yourself. Finally, if you have any questions, please call the Sheridan or Gillette College Libraries.